So I just bought this record power DP16B. Now, well, what I noticed today was, now I know it's only a sticker, but I was, hoovering up the dust today, and this peeled right back. See? So I can't see that sticker lasting very long record power, considering it peeled right back. With hoovering round about there. It's got a 5-year guarantee, but I don't think that'll apply to the sticker. Now, I'm going to be honest and tell you, this is the first time I've used a pillar drill. I'm a handyman, I've used tools for years, but I've never used one of these ones, a thingy drill. This is plasticky, and this, now I know that's got to be perspex, right? But when I was pressing down in the drill for the first time, right, let me see, right, see that when you pull down, that puts pressure on this part here, see? And basically, if you forget about the depth, that here is actually starting to break already, and that was the first day I got it. The ABS red plastic is discoloured. I mean, should that be wobbling like this? You see that? Yeah, up a bit. You see it? Just wobbling. Right, and this part up at the top, it's plastic, so it looks like steel, the same as the bottom. That's, I think, cast iron steel or whatever you call it, so is that, but the top bit's plastic. But this isn't an expensive model, so I'm not complaining too much. It's pretty heavy. I'm going to get a base for it. See it wobbling. That spins round. I've got a little sand disc in it just now. Follow this too much, a bit plasticky here, but I mean, it's not the most expensive model, so can't complain too much. I hope that's been helpful for somebody, this little video. watch a lot of tool reviews, so I just thought I'd make one of my own. Don't forget to put the chuck key back in here.